The project plan looks perfect, but the stakeholders are not aligned, and suddenly the project fails. That is why stakeholder analysis matters. Every project involves people who influence decisions, outcomes, and progress. Some drive success. Others can create delays if not managed properly. Stakeholder analysis helps you identify these individuals and understand how to engage with them effectively. What is stakeholder analysis? Stakeholder analysis is the process of identifying and understanding individuals or groups who have an interest in a project. It helps you assess their influence, expectations, and potential impact. By doing this, you can prioritize stakeholders and plan how to communicate with them. In simple terms, it ensures you focus on the right people at the right time. Why is it important? Projects often face challenges due to unclear communication or conflicting expectations. Stakeholder analysis helps create alignment and clarity. It allows you to reduce risks, manage expectations, and build stronger support. When stakeholders are engaged effectively, projects run more smoothly and decisions become easier. How does it work? The process begins by identifying all stakeholders involved. Next, you assess their level of power and interest. Then, you prioritize them and plan your communication approach. Tools like the Power versus Interest Grid help you map stakeholders and manage them effectively. The real advantage. Stakeholder analysis is not a one-time activity. It does not end after identifying stakeholders at the start of a project. As projects evolve, priorities shift, new stakeholders may emerge, and existing expectations can change. What was important at the beginning may not hold the same weight later in the project lifecycle. That is why stakeholder analysis needs to be reviewed and refined continuously. By regularly assessing stakeholder influence, expectations, and engagement levels, organizations can stay aligned and avoid unexpected challenges. Updating your approach ensures that communication remains relevant, decisions stay informed, and relationships remain strong. In the long run, this continuous alignment helps maintain control, reduce risks, and keep the project moving in the right direction. Stakeholder analysis helps you manage influence, expectations, and outcomes. Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on project management and professional skills.